Good morning, Jose. Where
Hi.
are you?
Hello, Pedro. Okay, and you?
I'm fine. Where are you?
I'm in room.
What is your room like?
My room is white in color.
Cool. Where is your desk?
My desk is next to my bed.
Where is your TV?
My TV is in front of my sofa.
Where are your shoes?
My shoes are under the bed.
Where are your clothes?
My clothes are in the closet.
Where is your bed?
My bed is between the clothes and the desk.
Interesting.
Yes, you describe your room to me.
My room is big.
What color is your room?
My room is blue and white.
Nice. Where is your bed?
My bed is next to the window.
Where is your desk?
My desk is in front of my bed.
Where is your TV?
My TV is on the table.
Where are your books?
My books are on a shelf.
Where are your shoes?
My shoes are under that chair.
Your room sounds very nice.
Thank you, Jose.
Talk to you later, Pedro.
See you later, Jose.